Hey, my loves. Welcome to Raveena at Home. For those of you who are new, I'm Raveena Singh, a Certified Professional Home Organiser, and I upload videos with tips and inspiration on stylish homemaking. I repeatedly talk about routines. It's all about getting things done in a systematic way every day. I think the evening routine is probably the most important routine. It not only helps you wrap up a day, it also sets you up for the next day. I keep my routine simple. Anyone who is around and available usually lends a hand. I had the onions and spices chopped earlier today, so I'm just going to make my weekly curry paste before we clean up. Personally, I like prepping my curry pastes and pasta sauces in bulk. The taste is consistent and daily cooking becomes so much easier and faster. Like I always say, I delegate frequently, so this way I never have to worry about the meal not tasting as it should. Now that I'm done, I'm going to let that cool while we get on with other tasks. We had pizza for dinner, so there aren't very many dishes. My son is just going to wash those by hand so B can unload the dishwasher and give it an empty run. I'm going to do a little extra cleaning here. For me, I like to end my day with a clean counter. My daughter was making Play-Doh, so the mixer needs a wash and a wipe as well. And since the mini adults are helping, I'm going to use my extra time to give the dish drying rack a proper clean. And of course, after doing the dishes, I like scrubbing my sink. B is going to clean the stove. Today is not our weekly cleaning of the stove, but just a routine nightly cleaning. She's done, and I'm going to go in with some glass cleaner to wipe down the hood. The curry paste I made tends to splatter, so the backsplash and hood both need a wipe. I have also lit a candle to remove any odor from the onions and garlic used. Lastly, I remove my little trash bag from my little bin, and then I just need to wipe. I did quite a bit of cleaning during the day, so I have quite a few kitchen cloths to wash. I rinse off any dust or particles and then I soak them. Someone told me that I should add everything first and then add the towels last, and that's what I'm doing these days. Thank you for the tip. I'm also soaking my empty vegetable bags before we restock tomorrow. And now to make my herbal tea. It's just a simple but extremely important routine in our household. I get to come down to a clean kitchen in the morning, and that itself elevates my mood for the next day. Good night, my loves.